This video will explore how to code motion graphics using AI and natural language. We can replace manual keyframes with natural language prompts, simplifying the animation process significantly. The workflow is straightforward. Prompt the AI agent, generate the code, and preview the motion in a browser. Step 1. Initialize the blank video template and start the local server to begin your project. Step 2. Feed the agent the system rules, including the desired frame rate and canvas dimensions. Step 3. Keep the initial prompt simple to establish the base composition of your video. Step 4. Drop custom assets, such as SVG logos, into the public folder so the AI can reference them. Step 5. Ask for cinematic effects like glows, slashes, or mechanical motion to enhance your graphics. Step 6. Use screenshots for iterative refinement, providing visual feedback to improve the animation. Step 7. Refine the timing and physics of the motion using plain English to adjust elements like spring easing. Step 8. Chain elements together using sequence logic for complex merges and synchronized movement. Step 9. Inject modular skills to teach the AI specific visual domains without bloating the prompt. Step 10. Reverse engineer inspiration using reference frames, allowing you to replicate specific layouts and animations. Step 11. Execute the render command to output a high-quality MP4 or ProRes file once the motion graphics are complete. The result is reusable, editable, and version-controlled motion graphics generated in seconds, streamlining your creative workflow.